وين سايرين؟
يعني ملكين الكورفت.
كورفت؟
ايه.
والفايبر؟
ايه.
فايبر مال عبد الله؟
ايه. حلو. حلو.
يلا تعال صور. Also this one. شوف هذا البستن وهذا connecting rod.
عشان مشروع.
هذا بساتن.
هذا شو؟
ساتن.
عشان
لداخل اللي يتحركون شي.
هذه مال كورفت.
ايه مال كورفت.
عصر.
هذا سلندر هيد وهذا الفلور. هذا شو اللي ركبوه؟
شو هذا؟
انجن بلوك. شو اسمه؟
شان.
انجن بلوك.
انجن بلوك.
بلوك.
انجن بلوك.
ايوه. وهذا الكرانك شافت. هذا يركبن فيه البساتن. ها؟
تحت داخل شوف.
ما بتساعد.
داخل.
ما. I need everything, huh? Thank you.
Because this one engines, this car, they fix in other shop. Then we reopen and send to machine shop to check. Because the oil pressure, I think,
Drop down, huh?
drop down, sir.
Thank you.
You're the new owner now, this one, sir.
Unfortunately, yes.
اوكي.
تبغى تصير؟
حلبة.
شو بتصير في الحلب؟
خمس.
طيب شو؟
سيارة.
أي سيارة؟
فايبر.
أي فايبر؟ أي واحد فيهم؟
البلاك.
السيلفر؟
لا.
ما تبغى السيلفر؟
أنا حشرة.
أفا حشرة.
إيه.
يعني مش حلو صوته.
عاوزين شو فايبر.
أي فايبر؟
عبد الله.
تو تقول حشرة؟
عادي. مو في الغيث هذا.
أنت شو اسم الحلبة؟
لاجون سيكا.
لا ما هو لاجونا سيكا. لاجونا سيكا في أمريكا بابا. هاي شو اسمها اللي هني؟ حلبة ياس.
حلبة ياس؟
إيه ياس.
ليش مو بحلبتك؟ لاجون سيكا.
لاجونا سيكا في أمريكا بابا.
ليه ما تصير؟
أنت سكت على سوق لاجونا سيكا؟
إيه؟
بأي سيارة؟
فايبر.
فايبر.
بس بشوف. هاي. بعدين هاي. بعدين هاي. أشوف. وقتها عبد الله همنو
عبد الله.
لا كسر سيارتهم الحلوة حلوين.
السلام عليكم.
مرحبا.
كيف الحال؟
توثق كل اللقطات؟
لازم.
اوكي. والربلد وكل شيء؟
كل شيء.
صورة ينزلونها.
هذا هو How are you?
Not good. Corvette's very dirty.
I know. I can clean it. Habibi, you are Chevy.
My daughter,
Really?
Chevy.
Your name is Chevy?
Yes.
Your name is Corvette, right? مرحبا. زين. لا ير هذا اكتف يرة شوي يرة شي يلا بطل بقى
Ipasok mo yung ano. What's the size of this block? The bore? From the paper, I saw it 4.130. And you want to make it original.
Bent rods. So bent, all rods bent, so they all.
Was it supercharged before?
No, it's NA.
NA. Bend the rod.
I think let's oil pump.
Yes.
Because if this,
So we need high flow oil pump.
no problem, K-Tech. But, for example, this is 4.130.
Yeah.
Original is 4.125.
Yes.
What is your plan?
Back to
Or it will not work.
sleeves will not work.
Yes, a lot of people doing it, but it does not last. Your sleeves will fall down and
Yeah?
crack. Yes. Who's done it before? Nobody. Yes, exactly. No guarantee.
What about Darton?
The easiest.
Nobody can do Darton sleeve.
If you there's dart, how much is Darton sleeve?
Yeah, it's
For me, what's the best? Buy LSX block. I'll give you the cheapest LSX block. How much is doing Darton sleeves and fixing it here with labor and everything? You think how much? Maybe 15,000?
Yeah.
18,000. I'll give you LSX block. Maybe cheaper.
LSX.
LSX. LSX block.
It's aluminum or
No, it's metal.
no. Metal is very.
Yeah, it's very heavy, but it's very good.
We got this car for tracking.
We have to consider weight.
We already got very good deal on the car, but we took the engine. Thinking about it.
مال من الكورفت ما تعرف السوق زين.
But there's damage in the snout. The start.
Is it big?
I didn't see.
Basically, these are trash.
Yeah, I think this is trash.
Yep.
Crank is okay, but fence in the where it's the pulley. Where's the pulley in the front? There's a. No, it's not bent. It's a small damage. Yeah. This is damage.
No.
There's
Something
small
with
damage here.
No, maybe they're just saying this the damage. Or maybe what they're saying is in the sprocket. This one you can buy. This like maybe 150 dirhams only. The sprocket.
This is stock camshaft.
Where's the other camshaft?
I don't know if this is the one they're saying damage.
Maybe it's here.
The pulley may be seized or something. I don't know.
It's an easy fix, right?
Yeah, this is, you know.
Norman, this is stock, right?
Yes, this is stock.
There's another.
Another camshaft.
Maybe it's here. Hello. Nope.
Nope.
Nope. O dun sa minimal lifter na house. Shit, I'd rather build this than the...
So what are you thinking?
Instead of round, like it's maybe like this.
Okay, so
I don't know because only the machine shop can see this. So if, for example, you want to keep this, if there is a chance that we can still fit 4.130, Why not go for 4.130? Better original bore to bore it out than changing
Okay.
the bore.
4.130.
30. Because now it is 4.130.
So what
Maybe-
size pistons you will get? Exactly.
4.130, maybe we can do honing only. We don't know. Only the machine shop can say this actually. I think the next one is 4.160. So then 80.
Yeah, because it needs more. Who's gonna do the balance?
Machine shop will do this.
So you will send them all the parts?
Yes.
So you have to talk to them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
See,
Yep.
if they recommend go with the bigger size pistons, it will be cheaper for us as well.
Stock. So basically the block, you want to keep it stock, correct?
Yeah, keep it as it is. Just the main line, make it straight, and that's it.
Okay, no problem.
The crankshaft is okay. They said it's okay. Just need form.
Yes, polishing, that's normal. Okay. Okay, leave it here. I'll prepare it to send it to them.
I want to look at the other heads. Because West Coast, I don't know what color it is.
West Coast?
It's here. So this one.
This is the top.
Yep.
You know already.
Yes.
But
From the other side.
that's a lot of cleaning, no?
Yes. This is your car?
Yes.
Oh, you will drive it?
Yes.
You know how to drive already?
Yes.
Who is better, you or Baba?
I know how to.
Who is better driver, you or Baba?
Who?
Who's better, you or me?
Red line.
Red line, master.
No, this looks original. It's original, just CNC ported.
Okay. Then it's CNC ported
Yep.
by West Coast or whatever the company.
In the US.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
But you think that looks good? No damage?
They said they checked this already.
No, they didn't check this one.
No, the other one is the
The
stock.
stock one.
Ah, the stock one was the one
has
they
the,
checked.
The valve issue, the valve.
Valve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's stock.
easy. This one is, I can even do this one. I can change it. I can manually do this. Yes, this is stock. Because it's not the bronze one.
The bronze one is
Yep.
the good,
Yes.
the good bad guys.
Okay.
Yes, it's stock also.
But that one is ported. This one.
Yeah, that's. So they have the measurement.
Oh!
تعورت؟ تعورت؟ وين تعورت؟
It's better to bore the stock than to bore it out and put another one. Really? It's like you're pressing a new one there.
What about LS3?
S3 is at 6.2. The block is 6.2. So you have to change full rotating assembly if you want to go 7 liter. This block is 7 liter.
Yes.
Crank is 7 liter.
LS6?
No, LS6 is smaller, 6.2. 6 also. Only LS7 is like the 7 liter straight. Straight fit to this. Actually, dry sump, even LS3 you can put there. Just change the oil pan and everything. So let me talk to them regarding this.
Well, this is good to have as well, right?
Yeah, let's say you have spare, but still very big difference for like built race heads.
Yeah.
Very big difference. Then stock heads, you bring it for CNC porting, still big difference. I'm more excited for this.
Because it's your favorite.
Yes.
Yeah? If you don't have a space, just send it back
To your place.
to my place and the horse place. The only thing with the car is clean everything inside.
Okay, I will clean it for now.
Do the painting as well.
Okay, for the meanwhile, can you park it outside?
You see, there's 3 cars that are covered. These are waiting basically. So let me clean your car first.
And then
Okay.
call
If worst case, I'll send message to you guys. I have to send.
Okay.
Bring everything down so I can prepare everything here. Whatever's missing. Okay, no problem.
you know this edition, right?
427.
Basically, on
It's
this,
just the color.
yes.
Only
And a guy signed on it.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that's it.
yes. This is like one the Ron Fellows, another one. Yes,
Yes.
This is the other Ron Fellows.
So now what did you decide?
So now I will bring this to machine shop. The first thing I will do, I'll bring it to machine shop. I let them check the bore.
All right.
So the report that you sent me was from
SPL.
already.
Exactly. So they
So-
sent it from Abu Dhabi for just the reports, and they didn't even want.
Let me talk to him first.
Okay.
I'll talk to him regarding the boring.
So they said it says on the report.
Yeah, I
Either
said yes.
Bigger systems
Yep.
or,
Yes. Yep.
or re-sleeve. Talk to them. They could do a good job on the sleeving. We'll just do the re-sleeving. Because
Okay.
the re-sleeving is 3,700 dirhams, which is not bad. You can't find LS7 block.
No, it's expensive. Maybe I don't know. Maybe bare black For LS7, it could cost you 20,000 maybe. Really. That's why all people, instead of buying another...
وين؟ ما بين.
You want blue? Okay, we'll paint blue. On this part or all?
All. The black one and the yellow.
This one. Okay.
Yeah,
The middle.
How much is the cam?
Free. Texas speed.
So you want to use Texas speed cam, okay.
We don't know.
Lifters, how about
Hey,
springs?
that's why he's
Valve springs.
شو الحين عبد الله؟
شيك المخرط اذا يقدر يحط بساط المكاله. اذا ما يقدر خلاص ريسليف بنجرب بس بنشوف بشيك عليهم هل الريسليف مال اوكي ما واجهوا مشاكل اذا هم واجهوا مشاكل ويصح انه تروح بستن اكبر وتريح بالك ولا تعقل كشره نشوف.
الكرانك اموره طيبه.
Here, there's no cam. Maybe it's inside the car. I don't know.
ما اتوقع موجود لان اكيد دقت الماكينه طلعوا وحطوا كامل وكاله.
بكلمه.
This car in 2019 was clean.
19.
خربانه صبر؟ خربانه؟
مالي. The polish can remove it, right?
Yeah, it's glue on this. It's glue on this.
Glued? It's glue, okay.
I want to make two.
Bring the sticker because this is the worst one. It stayed on in heat.
I think this is broken. That's why it doesn't open the hood.
Yeah.
Yes. The alignment is not good. We just have to pull it through. What's the name? This is the small guy.
I know.
انت منو؟
Wow.
كل اسبوع بجيبك بخلي نورمان يعلمك.
Okay, every Friday and Saturday you will come
Every
here
weekend
to help
I'll
me,
bring him and you can teach him. I want him to learn every single detail. So can he be
Okay, let him eat.
Norman. نبيع هذا وناخذ هاي. 86 توربو. ها عبد الله؟ endless.